All right, guys, we have another case for the Pixel 7a. This time it comes from CaseBorne. So when you see a bright yellow package like this, you absolutely know it's from CaseBorne from Armadillo Tech. They come out of Frisco, Texas, USA company. Without further ado, let's see what kind of case they got for the Pixel 7a. So I do believe we have to cut the stickers here. I'm gonna cut this sticker, bam, 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 wham, wham, wham. And this is a clear style case for your Pixel 7a. So if you want to show off that beautiful color you got, whether it be coral or sea blue or obsidian or the white one, this is the case for you. Presented inside, we do have the awesome clear case here for your Pixel 7a. Feels good in hand. First impressions there. We do have a letter from the owner, Carl, and this is a surprise to me. I believe it comes with 2 tempered glass screen protectors for your Pixel 7a. So you don't even have to buy a screen protector with this case because it already comes with one. So without further ado, let's go ahead and slap this screen protector on real quick and get to the case review. All right, so there you have it. A quick tip for Carl: make sure you put some dust removal stickers in the packaging because I didn't receive none. Other than that, everything went well. Quick tip: use the case itself to align the tempered glass screen protector. Is going to make it a lot easier to get it well aligned. Other than that, that's all I have for you to offer. But the screen protector looks good, works good. Now, does it work with the fingerprint reader? And absolutely works with the fingerprint reader. No issues there. Very nice style little flat tempered glass screen protector. Nothing about that. So since we already have the case installed, because we used it to install the tempered glass screen protector, let's go ahead and take a look at the case itself. And look at that. Voila. What a very simplistic, minimalistic case for your Pixel 7a. It absolutely preserves the look of the Pixel 7a. You can see everything. You can see that beautiful sea color blue that I have. It does not make your phone too bulky. Keeps a relatively slim profile. On the bottom of the case, we do have our cutouts there, nice and precise. You do got plenty of room there for a third-party charging cable if you absolutely want to plug in. You have your speaker, charging port, mic. On the right side of the case, you have nothing but CaseBorne branding right there. I don't know if you can get a glimpse of it. On the top, the mic is nice and precise, beautiful cutout, 100% covered buttons, nice and taking picture there. They're nice and clicky, very responsive, no issues with the buttons being 100% covered, very responsive. On the back, we do have a camera lens cover there, beautiful cutout for your visor there, and you do have a raised lip, so in case you want to lay your Pixel 7a on its back on a flat surface, it's not gonna get damaged. And you do have that beautiful same lip protection all around the flat screen of the Pixel 7a, even with a tempered glass screen protector currently installed. If you lay it flat face down on a flat surface, it is not going to get scratched. Beautiful. Now, this case has been 2 times drop tested at military grade standards. So it's absolutely gonna survive any drop spills or anything like that. It is yellow resistant. It's gonna stay clear and white as much as possible. It ain't gonna turn yellow on you in a couple of weeks. But it is a super nice stylistic case. If you want to show off that beautiful design of the Pixel A, this case is for you. It absolutely looks gorgeous with this Pixel C color here. You can see everything from the design to the visor to the Google logo. Absolutely looks fantastic. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Not to mention, it is a banging deal because it comes with 2 tempered glass screen protectors, so you don't even have to buy a tempered glass screen protector when you go ahead and cop yourself this case. Again, link will be in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.